To endorse your RN license to Maryland, start by checking if your nursing program is approved by the Maryland Board of Nursing. If it's not listed, your school will need to complete an assessment form. Next, have your official transcripts sent directly through a digital credentialing service to email of Board of Nursing. Include all schools and programs used toward your degree. Then, complete a background check and fingerprinting. In Maryland, use the live scan form and submit your application within 48 hours. Outside Maryland, request a fingerprint card from CJIS and follow their instructions. Keep the tracking number for your application. After that, verify your license through Nursys.com. Your original state of licensure and any active licenses must be listed there. Now apply for endorsement. Use a permanent mailing address. If you already have a multi-state license, you can work in Maryland until your permanent license is issued, but you cannot get a temporary Maryland license. You'll need a digital passport photo, your fingerprint tracking number, proof of an active license, and payment. The fee is $230 for a permanent license or $70 for a temporary license. If you don't have a Social Security number or ITIN, you'll need to submit a paper application. For foreign-educated nurses, transcripts must be evaluated by TrueMerit, and an English exam is required unless you earned an advanced U.S. degree on Maryland's approved list. Once all steps are complete, the board will review and issue your license.